Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Alpine 4 technology. And if you are looking at this stock, so first of all the data is limited. We have only 3 years of data. Looking at the chart, I will simply tell you one thing, that this stock may go toward its previous high of 2017, which is near to or at $14. Now this is not the end of the uptrend. This is just the level which the stock has shown us in the year 2017. And in general videos I would first explain about support and all that thing, but here I have simply told you about the level which we are going to see. But the important thing starts here. First of all, let me describe about all the support and resistance level in this chart. So here are all the important support and resistance level in between which the stock is currently moving, and it starts from point 1 and will go to as high as $14. But as I told you, this is not the end. The way the stock is looking, it may go up to $100 as well. Okay, but what about the risk? First of all, this is trading in the OTC market. Second of all, I don't like this kind of chart patterns. Why I am telling you, if you observe this chart pattern, what you will see here are simply color codes, or you may it looks like some sort of movements where either you have buyer or you have seller, or there is no trades. In this kind of movement, level actually doesn't work. Okay, and the main problem here is, or the biggest risk I would say, let's say now the stock has been rising continuously, and you will see here at the end of the day there are only buyers and no sellers, which means the stock may go and hit upper circuits day after day, a week after week. But when the seller comes, probably small retail guys or small investors don't even understand what is going on. But when the stock started moving towards downside, you will not find any sellers who will purchase your stock which you have purchased previously. So this is the biggest risk which lies in this kind of stocks, and more specifically those who know about charts, they understand these things very well. These kind of movements where you have simply uh, dotted bars with green and red lines, and this will not give you confidence. If the stock has these kind of movements, one better check what is the quality of the fundamentals and why these moves are happening. Okay, because the simple fact is, if the stock, let's say, rises by 500% or 1000% in a month, then you can't expect it has already consolidated, and it has already give you returns based on forecasted earnings of, let's say, next 5 years. Now you cannot expect much from the stock. If it is going on and continuously giving you returns, that's a different thing, but fundamentally you can't expect much. So in this case, you have to be smart enough and reasonable enough to understand the risk alongside with the opportunity. So if you are looking at this kind of stocks, technically you should understand that it will give you x to the power n amount of returns, but the risk is when selling starts, you may not find any buyers at that time. So that's the biggest risk. Understand this. Check out the news and the reasons why it is going up like this, and probably you will justify the moves. I am not saying it will not go up, and I'm still saying that it can go up to $14. But if you are holding the stock, if you are lucky enough, so buy before everybody is buying and sell before everybody is saying. That's the only thing. So you have to be lucky enough in this kind of stock, rather than a stock picker. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.